Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we have to be discussed the last subtopic of chapter number 1. The subtopic is different committees and their responsibilities. So, first of all, we must know why the committees are needed. Students, if the work is limited, then one man can control the activities. If the works are large in sports events, sports activities, the area is very large. It is impossible to organize by one person. So first of all, that is our duty to distribute the works among different committees because all works are interrelated, one depend upon another. If each and every committee they are doing their work separately, then it is easy to conduct the sports activities. So first of all, organizing and conducting of sports event, various committees are formed for smooth and systematic conduct of competitions. So first of all, different organizing committees are there. What are the organizing committee? I will write it. First one is publicity committee. Publicity committee. Second one is transportation committee. Third one is boarding and lodging committee. Boarding and lodging committee. Then decoration committee. Then next one, ground equipment committee. Ground and equipment committee. Next one, refreshment committee. Then next one, reception committee. Then committee for officials. Then next one, announcement committee. Then first aid committee. Then next one, finance committee. So students, now I am explaining the work of different subcommittees. Different subcommittees that is written here. So one by one I will explain it. First one is publicity committee. What is the work of publicity committee? The work of publicity committee, main work is to create the awareness among public. So that is the work of publicity committee. Another work of publicity committee is they just announce the date, announce the venues, announce the sports event, what is to be done. Each and everything, that is the work of publicity committee. That committee will publish each and every information for the public. Then second one is transportation committee. The work of transportation committee is responsible for providing facility regarding transportation. Transportation for whom? Transportation for officials, transportation for sports persons and other important persons, those who are our guests or they are coming just to look after the functions. That their transportation is for that particular person. This is the work of transportation committee. That committee will just provide each and everything whatever is needed regarding transportation for the officials, for the sports persons. Then Boarding and Lodging Committee. What is the work of Boarding and Lodging Committee? The main work of this committee is responsible for making necessary arrangement for providing accommodation and service meals to the sports persons and officials. Accommodation for sports persons and officials and serving meals. Each and everything that is the work of boarding and lodging committee. That committee will look after these things: accommodation and serving meals. Then decoration committee. What is the work of decoration committee? The work of decoration committee is to look after the decoration at opening ceremony, at closing ceremony, at victory ceremony, in the sports arena, each and everything wherever the decorations are needed. That work is done by decoration committee. This is the main work of decoration committee. And another work of decoration committee is to provide the number of trophies, medals, certificates, each and everything, how much it is needed. That is the work of decoration committee. That committee will provide that thing. Then ground and equipment committee. What is the work of ground and equipment committee? Ground and equipment committee, the main responsibility is to look after the ground, to lay out the markings, tracks, each and everything on the ground. And equipments, how much equipment is needed for that particular event to be conducted. Each and everything, number of equipments and laying out the grounds each and every work, that is the work of ground and equipment committee. That committee will do this thing. Then refreshment committee. Refreshment committee, that is the main responsibility of this committee is to look after the refreshment, drinking water for our guest of honor, officials, competitors, each and everything. Those who are engaged in sports or those who are coming to just look after the sports as a guest, the refreshment committee will provide their refreshment and drinking waters. Both the places, their accommodation place and at the sports stadium also. Then next one is reception committee. Reception committee means so many members, they are coming for the sports activities. So reception committee, the work is to receive our guest of honors, receive our delegates in the opening ceremony and closing ceremony also. It is also the duty of this committee to welcome the guests and spectators also. Then committee for officials. What is the work of committee for officials? This committee will select various officials such as referees, judges, recorders, clerks, of the course, starters, marshals, track umpire, timekeeper, lap scorer, each and everything. If the athletic event is to be conducted, then this number of officials are needed to conclude or organizing the sports activities. Referees, umpires, timekeepers, each and everything in case of games, they are also required. Understand? So, committee for officials, that is the work of that committee to collect the officials, to contact with the officials and their remuneration, each and everything that is decided by committee for officials. Then announcement committee. What is the work of announcement committee? The committee is responsible for making various announcements, that is during the sports meet and games. The committee gives information regarding opening and closing ceremony, which and when an event is going to be taken place, the name of the officials who are conducting the events, and also giving the running commentary of games and sports, each and everything. That is the work of announcement committee. Because if a sports persons will receive or will have sufficient knowledge about announcement particular time they will be there for their event. So that is the work of announcement committee, to look after the announcements. Then first aid committee. First aid committee is main work of first aid committee is look after the injured persons. The committee provided first aid to the injured and affected athletes immediately. The committee makes all necessary arrangements for providing help much before the sports events. Understand? And organized because athletes or sports persons may get injured during the competitions. So well in advance the committee will available or will look after these things, each and everything those who are needed for first aid, that is available or not, that is the work of first aid committee. And preliminary treatment, that is done by first aid committee. If it is out of our capacity, out of the control, then they will refer to higher places. But first preliminary guidance, that is done by first aid committee. Then finance committee. What is the work of finance committee? The committee is related to look after the finance management, their incomes, their expenditures, each and everything that is going on as per our budget or not. So everything regarding the finance, that is look after our finance committee. So these are the subcommittees to organize a sports activities. So students, today these subtopics, the last subtopic we discussed today of chapter number 1, planning in sports. I hope you must understand each and everything. Whatever lacking part is there, or your lacking understanding part is there, you must confirm it by giving the queries. So today is this much. I am giving some assignment to you. You hope, or I hope you must do the assignments, and after reopening the schools, you deposit your assignment copy. Thank you students. Thank you very much.